Do you think you know which family members can come to the U.S.? You might be surprised. I'm Pat Jarrett, an immigration lawyer with Jarrett Price, and today we're breaking down who can immigrate, the categories USCIS uses, and how long you can expect to wait. If you're planning to bring your loved ones, this is what you need to know. First, let's talk about immediate relatives. This includes spouses of U.S. citizens, unmarried children under 21, and parents of U.S. citizens. The big advantage here is that there are no annual limits on visas for immediate relatives. That means these petitions are usually processed faster than other family categories. Then there's the family preference system, which applies to other relatives like adult children, married children, and siblings of U.S. citizens. These categories have annual caps, so wait times can be longer, sometimes much longer, even up to several years depending on the country of origin. Understanding which category your loved ones fall into is the first step to planning a successful immigration process. So how long will it take? For immediate relatives, the process can be anywhere from 6 months to about a year, depending on how quickly USCIS processes your forms and schedules interviews. For family preference categories, it's a bit more complicated. USCIS posts a visa bulletin every month that shows priority dates for each category. Your place in line is determined by when your petition is filed, and for some countries with high demand like Mexico or the Philippines, wait times can stretch 10 to 15 years for siblings and several years for adult children. Because of these timelines, it's important to plan ahead and stay organized. Filing the correct forms, submitting proper documentation, and maintaining accurate records of your family relationships can make the process smoother. Immediate relatives will still need proof like marriage certificates or birth certificates, but family preference applicants may need additional evidence to prove relationships and maintain their priority in line. There are also a few important points to keep in mind. Children under 21 can qualify as immediate relatives, but once they turn 21, they may shift into a preference category. Married children of U.S. citizens are never immediate relatives. They're always in the preference system. Parents of U.S. citizens can only be petitioned if the petitioner is at least 21 years old. Knowing these details helps avoid delays and ensures your family's immigration plans stay on track. So who can immigrate to the U.S.? Spouses, children, parents, siblings, and adult children. But each category, each group has its own rules and processing times vary. Immediate relatives move faster because there are no annual limits. Family preference applicants face longer waits due to visa caps. Staying informed, filing correctly, and planning for the wait times is key. Immigration law can be complex, but understanding the categories and timelines is the first step in reuniting with your family. At Jarrett Price, we help families navigate this process and avoid common mistakes. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more in our legal advice in under 5.